Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, guys? What's going on? Crassus here. It is time for some game dev, some World of Grimm style game dev. What's up? How is it doing? What's up, dude? How you been? It's good to see you. Good to see you a lot. Let's quick set this up where this is the only scene that loads. We'll play scene, set static. Man, awesome, man. We have a Kickstarter that we're working toward right now. If you don't know about the Kickstarter, it is actually pretty awesome. We have 111 followers for this game, World of Grimm. You can hit that little notify on launch button, tell your friends about it, tell your mom about it, tell your dog about it. World of Grimm is a fast-paced collectible card game in the Brothers Grimm world, where you get to put the forces of Red Riding Hood and Snow White up against Cinderella and Rapunzel. Pretty awesome. So, that's what we're currently at right now. We are about to include a new mechanic into the game that does not exist in a card game, as far as I know. It's called time shifting. And so we already have the current time shift, which is an enum. Right, we need to go into the effect types, and we need to add a new effect type called time shift. When is your next game jam? Ooh, that's a good question. We just finished Ludum Dare, so we'll probably do our game jam in July. Yeah, maybe July. Alright, so time shift. We're gonna try time shift first, and if we don't like it, we'll move to day shift and night shift. Okay. The time shift's an effect type. Okay. So now let's make a card with the time shift ability. Been a long time since you joined it before. I know, yeah, it's been a little bit. I guess there's ways. I guess we can get you the mailing list, and then I can send a mailing list out when we do the next game jam, or Discord. You know, or you can come hang out in Discord also. Either way works, right? I guess there's multiple ways to get information. Alright. So, we have day and night time shifting. Okay. You're in the Discord? Sick. Alright, let's go to the match. We're gonna create a box somewhere. I'm gonna create a box somewhere that shows you the day-night time shifting, right? So let's do that. Do we want to commit to that? I think right now we don't want to. I think we want the game turn manager to show what the current time shift is. Where is that gonna sit? Cards played, max turns, inactive channels, stats, hours, winning the game. Okay, so I think, yeah, turn visualizer. Okay, so it's gonna actually be here. We'll call it time shifting. Time shift. We'll do environment type. Oops. I don't know the name of that. Environment type current time shift equals none. Right? The time shift by default will always set to day. First, I guess. You can call cycle time shift here. Void cycle time shift. And then we can do public void affect all time shift cards based on current time shift. That would be the environment type. Yeah. Okay. So cycle time shift. So environment type. Nope. Current time shift equals, if it's none, Okay. It's none or. Alright, we're good now. Okay, so if it's none or night, okay, I see. If this equals this or that, then it's now going to be day. Otherwise, it's night. Is that not it? Maybe like this? I see it. Problem solved. Okay, so that cycles the time shift. Then we have to affect all time shift cards, right? Which are, so we roll through. So we're gonna rotate through all. Let's always do a reverse for loop on this. We're going to rotate through all cards played this game. Okay. If all cards played this game, I dot contain dot card data. No, so now the cards need a time shift pool for an active time shift. Active time shift. Because if there's active is inactive, then it doesn't matter, right? So active time shift is true, right? If all cards played this game, I dot card data dot card effects dot contains time shift. Then do their ability, right? This is do ability, right? This would be affect, not affect. Yeah, spelling, English. Do you speak it? Okay. So we affect all time shift cards, and then we do the same thing for cards played this turn. Card played this opponent. Beep, beep, beep. Right? And then all cards played player. Beep, beep, beep. Okay. Okay. Let's do activate. So we have, alright, so let's do a single activate card. So void, activate, time shift, ability, call a card out. That is where we do switch. It's going to be c.cardData.c name placer. Right. Oh shoot. It's done too many. Okay. That's how it works. We don't know who's gonna actually have that yet, so that's perfect. So we can just activate time shift ability, which is this. And this is gonna be this guy. Right. Beep. 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 Opponent. This game. Rocket. Because time shift is a cool the way to trigger an entire environment change so it does affect all cards at all times. Okay, so now this ability here on play, we don't have to have an on play for time shift. What's up, Chris? How you doing? What's good? What's good? I think that gold K in front of your name, man. Been up all morning finishing a model? Ooh, do you have any screenshots? And it's going good. It's going good. We had a revelation last night about how to innovate our game one step further. And we are adding in a new mechanic into the game, a new keyword called time shift. And what time shift does is it goes from having no environment to day. And then if another card plays time shift, or if you play a card that has time shift in its keyword, then it switches to night. And there'll be a environment change, the color changes, you'll see moonlight, right? And then you can switch back to day. So every time the card is played, it switches between day and night. There's a bit of inconsistency between those. So, between that, especially for building a card like that. So, I may change it to like day shift and night shift. Or something like that. Right? And if we do that, that means we're effectively splitting the game into the two archetypes. Day decks and night decks. And I don't know how I feel about that, but I kind of like it. I don't mind having two archetypes, right? Or dawn and dusk. Dawn and dusk sounds a lot cooler than day and night. Dusk shift. Yeah. But, so we're trying to figure out how it's going to work. Right now we have a cycle system, and right now it's just going to flip between day and night. We have cards that track it, and then when we have a thing happen, whatever cards we choose to do time shifting, we'll have time shifting. So now I can set up in the card editor, thus cards be more monsterish. It's a possibility. I think cards like the Wolf would benefit from it being dusk, right? So maybe we change the card's ability for the Wolf, which let me play that. Right? So let me play that real fast so you can see it. Oh, look how good that looks in game. Ugh. Oof. So nice. It's so nice. Ooh, an Imgur. Ooh. Dude, this is nice. Yo, that is so good. I love the... Is that tape on that? That looks fantastic. Did you model the paper too? This syringe looks amazing. Shit. Damn, man. That looks so good. Woo! Tape is texture? Cloth is simulated? No way. That's fantastic. I love that. Great job. Great job. Like, wow. For real, wow. You're welcome. You're welcome. So, here's examples of what I mean. The Wolf. The Wolf should get a bonus if the game is in dusk or nighttime, right? But what that bonus is beyond me. Does it just say time shift here instead, right? So, time shift, like, I don't know what the right way to word this for time shift is yet, right? We could even have cards like Cursed Shadows. Cursed Shadows could be a card that just changes the game to nighttime instead, right? Don't mind that it was floating away. I don't know what's going on there. Hold on. Yeah. Okay, so... But, like, Corpse Bride... I think Corpse Bride should have a night shift in it. I think this is a card that would work well with changing the game to dusk. Right? On the other hand, I think Prince Charming should maybe change the game to daytime. Maybe. Stretch. Right? Like, we have to figure out how this is going to work, what the benefit of it is, and can we create cards because of it. If we can create cards because of it, then it's going to be awesome. Right? That's the current thing, is trying to figure out exactly how this is going to work. Let me go into the card editor and make a spot for time shift. Card editor window. Artifact. Fury. Artifact. Time shift. Time shift. Okay. Dude, why am I sneezing so much? It's annoying. Okay. Build description. Get the display name for effect. Okay. And last wish. So maybe we did have last wish already built in. Okay. So dot time shift. It's literally gonna say time shift. Okay. We need a case default as well. I'm just gonna default. Break. That way, just in case we put none there. None ya? Okay. What else needs to happen? Everything. Full description. Create. Stuff. Okay, cool. Now card editor. Time shift. Okay. Let's make us a new card. We're gonna use, I have quite a list of cards that I can work from right now. I think Godfather Death is gonna be a good card. Godfather Death is a card with a description that has time shift, and then so time shift, we can do +2 attack power for each time shift this game, and it's awesome. 6, 3, 4. So if there's been 3 time shifts, he's a 10 power card. That's amazing. That's great. And that's really gonna be something good. Time shift +2 attack power for each time shift. So it'd be, so he's invoke and time shift. Both. He gets this when he gets this when he spawns. No, that's a persistent ability, right? That's just gonna say a time shift, and then +2 attack power for each time shift this game. Then it's just always building. We don't have a picture for him. We have any kind of thing that looks like death. Maybe the old images. Into the old Mid-Journey stuff. Got it. There's so much art in this game. So much art. Okay. Alright, so that's that. Template prefab, we need the card. Hope you guys have been having a nice week so far. So if there's current time shift, we need to count the amount of time shifts as well, right? Like, I feel like we need to also bold this, you know? I feel like this needs to be like bold. Slash B. That. Card. Preview canvas, preview card, template. Okay. Now the card manager. We have a new card. Godfather Death. Apply array. Apply prefab. Oh, it's good. We hit play here. This card now is in the game, right? Godfather Death. Why is he broken? What's he broken from? Key not present in dictionary. What's that junk about? Oh, he's there. Oh, I need a keyword info. Time shift. Time shift needs a keyword info. Keyword info. Time shift. New effect dictionary. Time shift. Keyword. Time shift. Okay. So time shift. Time shift. Okay, so time shift changes the environment, changes the game environment, changes the game environment, changes the environment, changes the atmosphere, changes the day, time of day. Time of day to night. Changes the time. Changes the day cycle. Day or night. Opposite of what it currently is. It's a terrible explanation, but it's better than nothing. right? Horrible explanation. Better than nothing, for sure. At least one worth. Okay. This is who did I just make? Godfather Death. Okay. +2 attack power for each time shift this game. Changes the night cycle to day or night, opposite of what it currently is. Okay. I think it's a cool idea. Definitely a cool card idea. Okay. Now, when you play Godfather Death, Godfather Death needs to go in here. That's like a spell, doesn't it? There we go. So Godfather Death goes there. Then inside the game turn manager, yeah, Godfather Death is the first card that actually utilizes time shift abilities. Godfather Death. So, we time shift and then we call it, right? So, Godfather Death. We need to effectively check for time shift. Right? So Godfather Death does time shift, but this is time shift ability. So then he gains update his death counter, or his amount of whatever, his shit counter. His I've done enough shit counter. Okay. We need this is gonna be public int total time shifts. This game equals 0. Okay, if we time shift, we don't need any of this. So this is a lot. We'll just add them as we need them. Just creating a lot of extra space. Okay, that's better. So, if we time shift plus, right? Now we can check that for now the Godfather Death can have his own attack power for his stuff here. Extra attack. Godfather Death. Okay. For the full attack power plus Godfather plus this. When we activate it, Godfather Death. So C dot death. His extra attack Godfather get death equals and total time shifts times 2. Right, and then we update game board. Cool. Then there has to be an invoke. If there's a time shift, we have to call cycle time shift, right? So if the card flips over, we have to cycle time shift. Where's flip card? Flip card. Does time shifting affect before on play? I think so. I think it does. Is that messed up? Okay. Then callback. Play card. This is all mission stuff. Fifth Path Poultry. Shepherd's Boy. Cloud Kingdom. Okay, this is all the stuff that happens before the flip completes. When the flip completes, we definitely do the invoke effects. I think we check time shifting here. By now, it would be cool to have the theme switch to dark too. Although it's definitely quite a big ask. So all it has to be is a filter with a couple changes, right? It's not going to be that big of an ask. So, if this dot contains this dot card data, so if this dot card data dot contains dot card effects that contains time shift, right? If this dot time shift is true, then we game term manager cycle time shift. Cool. Cycle time shift activates the time shift abilities. This works out, right? I think we got that working. That's awesome. We do. I have to put Godfather Death in the deck. Do we make a new deck with Godfather Death? No, because it doesn't really matter. Alright. Let's take... This is a Fury deck. So let's take Iron Hans out. And we'll put Godfather Death in. Even though it's a 6 cost. Right? It's not good for us, but it'll be okay. Also, what is it? Oh, show me the wolf stuff. Is that broken? That's supposed to be the wolf. Oh, that is supposed to be the wolf. Where did he get placed? Wait, I'm confused now. It says he's in the deck. Was he? Oh, it's... Oh! Oh! Bless you. Oh. I got it. There we go. I think what I might do is change him to a 10 mana card, and he costs less for each time shift this game. Make him very centric to time shifting. Make him like the most expensive card that ever exists. What do you think? Anyway, now let's move in. Now I think he's in the deck. I think he got saved as Fraud King, so we gotta undo that part for sure. Right? He should be like, he's probably like right here. There he is. Oops. Alright. So, Fraud King removed. Death. Okay. Now he's in the game. Right now. Okay. Do we have Grandfather Death? Cards have -2 attack power. We could play Fitcher's Bird here. Fitcher's Bird is a good play for this. Oh wow. Good play when you don't have to worry about anything. Oh, I want him to draw 2 cards? That's okay. That'll be okay. +1 attack by the end of each turn. Wow, 7 soldier will definitely benefit from that. Nullify. Channel. He's not on channel ability. That's good. Dorinda. Sea-Witch? This is a channel? Okay. Definitely want Sea-Witch. Shoot, Snake Prince. King of the Birds. Should be getting... Are we losing? No, we're currently winning. Oh. Fraud King So we did not get the car we wanted to get, which is so interesting. All right, well, we're gonna claim this as a win. Half, father, Nix, boom. Oh, he only had one card in his hand. Wow, we got no benefit out of that. That's crazy. Okay. We didn't get to play the card we wanted to play, but we got to play the game, and the game is fun. But all right, guys. Well, that's gonna be end of the stream. Thanks so much for hanging out today. Sorry for the shorter stream. Tomorrow will hopefully be a longer stream if I wake up early enough. Thanks for being super awesome today, as always. If you do not know, yo, what's up, Dragon Spirit? This is what time we end every day. If you do not know, we have a Kickstarter. If you did know, tell your friends about it. Let's see who's live. Who can we go raid right now? Let's see. All right, let's go to... Go to Kebabskill's channel. Kebabskill is working on a healer game thing, and it's pretty darn cool. So we're gonna raid him. And until next time, guys, I love you and I'll see you soon. Have a great rest of your day. Peace out. Catch you later.